welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we're delving into the world of modern small living room ideas, proving that style and functionality know no bounds, even in limited spaces. Let's kick things off with the magic of multifunctional furniture. In a small living room, every piece needs to earn its keep. Consider sleek sofas with built-in storage or ottomans that can double as coffee tables. These ingenious solutions not only save space but also add a layer of practicality to your modern living room. Now, let's talk about the power of mirrors. Mirrors are a small space's best friend, creating the illusion of depth and making the room feel more expansive. Consider incorporating a large, statement mirror or even mirrored furniture to bounce light around and open up your small living room. For those who love a touch of the outdoors, embrace the charm of vertical gardens or hanging planters. Bringing nature indoors not only adds a breath of fresh air but also contributes to a modern and vibrant aesthetic without taking up precious floor space. Next on our list is the use of light, neutral colors. Opting for a light color palette, such as whites, creams, and soft grays, can make your small living room feel airy and open. It's a timeless choice that serves as a backdrop for modern furniture and decor, creating a clean and inviting atmosphere. Consider the versatility of modular furniture. Modular pieces allow you to customize your living room layout according to your needs. You can rearrange seating, storage, and even decor elements to create a flexible and dynamic space that adapts to your lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the impact of strategic lighting. Well-placed lighting can transform the ambience of your small living room. Consider pendant lights, wall sconces, or floor lamps to add layers of light and create visual interest. Lighting not only enhances functionality but also serves as a stylish design element. For those who appreciate a clutter-free environment, embrace the power of hidden storage. Invest in furniture with concealed storage compartments, like media consoles with sliding panels or coffee tables with drawers. Keeping clutter out of sight maintains a clean and modern aesthetic. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of scale. Choose furniture that suits the proportions of your small living room. Opt for streamlined, compact pieces that provide comfort without overwhelming the space. A well-curated selection of furnishings can make even the smallest living room feel purposeful and chic. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's embrace the challenge of small space living and turn it into an opportunity for modern creativity. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and until next time, happy designing. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.